2012 AP practice exam, AB 92, calculator allowed. Let R be the region of the first quadrant bounded below by the graph of y equals x squared and above by the graph of y equals square root of x. R is the base of a solid whose cross sections perpendicular to the x-axis are squares. What is the volume of the solid? So basically these functions are quite common, so we should be by now really comfortable with what these are. So we draw a little XY coordinate plane sketch, and we have bounded below by graph of y equals x squared. So here we have y equals x squared. And bounded above by the graph of y equals square root of x. So here is y equals square root of x. And so we are interested in this area here that I'm shading in red, and what we're doing is R is the base of a solid whose cross section perpendicular are squares. Now, a square, the area of a square is the side times itself, or side squared. So we're making perpendicular to the x-axis. This would be the base, what I'm drawing in blue, and coming out perpendicular will be a square, making this a three-dimensional shape, and it will come along all the way in here. So you have this three-dimensional shape with these sharp edge squares, so it'll be like a squarish thing, and then of course the squares will get smaller as we go down toward the tip. So it's going to be, the shape's going to have a point at each end here, down by the origin up here. And one thing we should know is that an intersection point up here is going to be at the point 1, 1. So 1. And what that means is that our answer is going to be an integration from the limits of 0 to 1, and we're going to take the upper function, which is square root of x, minus the lower function, which is x squared, and to get a square, we're going to go ahead and take our formula, a equals s squared, and square that, and then we have dx. And so now, assuming that we've entered everything correctly, and I'm pretty sure we have at this point, and we'll see what kind of answer we get. And we go to our calculator and get an integral, shift plus sign. We're going to go from x equals 0 to x equals 1, and we're going to have an open parentheses here, square root of x, and that's going to be our upper function minus our lower function, which is x squared, and then we're going to square the whole thing right here, make sure everything's okay. Dx 0.128571. And so if we round off to the first three places, we're going to have 0.129, which is our answer choice A. Good luck, and as always, thanks for viewing.